Hi everyone, my name is Walid and I am a civil engineer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a surface if you don't have any topo data or you don't have any points. This can help you for the prelim analysis and for any other purposes. So I am on my, so let's get started. I am on my Google, excuse me. So I am on my Google Maps video. Oh, sorry, I'm on my Google Maps, and then I have look. It's mostly the farm area, so I thought maybe this will be a good site. So I can just. I think this would be nice. And then yes, I have this site, and then I will going to go. I can just show you from start. So grid reference finder. You can open this one, and then what you have to do is copy and paste the latitude and longitudinals latitude and then longitude. I think so it comes right. Yeah. So yeah, this one is right. So we have this grid reference and every information here. So what you have to do is go for the Lidar survey data, and then it should be, yeah, this is, so this is the link to the survey data available. I will try to copy and paste this one into the video description. So now what we have to locate our site. So just copy this one, lat latitude and longitudes here. Okay, where is this site? It looks like the same. So this is the roundabout something here. Yeah, interchange, and then yeah, so between the trees. So yeah, what we are going to do is to draw the polygon, and well, what happened? So yeah, draw the polygon to get the data. Well, I think this should be fine. Double click to exit this one, and then get available. So you have to download the Lidar composite DTM. DTM is the digital terrain model. It means there is no vegetation or no trees will be accounted for, and then download all. DSM is, if you do go for the DSM, then you will have trees, and then this is not the proper ground surface. So actually we are going to create the existing ground surface, so I have go for the DTM points, and then it will take some time to download. It's loading, and I don't know, hopefully we can get these files. And I have already opened my civil 3D. Okay, we're just going to delete whatever is here. Let's close this window real quick. So it's downloading. I shouldn't take that long. Okay, let's see again. Let's see how big this one is. Okay, yeah, we have our file ready. We are going to extract this one. Extract. So we are going We are going to use this TIF file in our Civil 3D. Sorry, just going to quickly copy this name as well because going to use it in our Civil 3D. So we have to open map workspace. So the command is map w space, and so you have this task pane for the map. Now we are going to connect our data. We have to find raster image. So yeah, raster image, connection name that I copied, and then now going to go for the source file. So the source file is the same I mentioned. This one, we are going to use this TIFF file. Remember to go for the TIFF file, click this image. If you don't have this one, if you go here, still you have to go for the TIFF file. So open this one and then connect. So, and also remember to check this one, map coordinate system. I am in a British national grid. If you are in USA, obviously your grid system, map system will be different, and also the units as well. And my drawing is already in meters, so this is all good. I add to map. So now here is our DTM that we have just copied and pasted over here. I'm going to close this one. And now I'm going to locate our site here. So what I'm going to do is points, come on, point, the point is 452889, 452889, comma, second is 405816, 405816. So yeah, here is our site. And then this is the point type. You can change the point type. If you click this one, you have the p type, and then you can change the size, and then also you can change the styles, whichever you like. So this is all good to me. So now we have this data here, and also we have our point. So you can change the style of these ones. If you double click on the theme you have here, so double click this one and then change the, click on theme and then go for the palettes. If they have different styles, whichever you like, so I will go for the palettes and go for the USGS DEM palette. I like this one. So it depends on you, whatever you like, how you like. You can see it's a range of colors. It's just me. I will go with this one. So I have this theme. I click apply. So now you can see we have different colors with different elevations. So now I'm going to do is if you can just quickly like draw order, display order, bring to front, turn on. Yeah, so this is our site with this will with our site point, and then we have this one. So what we are going to do is to generate contours from this geotape surface. So you are going to do right click, create contour layer, and then this is the contour 1 and measure should be 10. So elevation intervals, so after 1 meters and then the measure is after 10 meters. Polygon, so what we are going to save in the same file, I'm going to name this contours, and then click OK. It should generate. So yeah, now we have the contours as well, and you can see we have the contours here. You can also change these styles. If you double click, just play around, and then you can have a lot of options. Maybe I will make videos some other time if you would like. Well, so you can see all these contours here, everything you can see. And now I'm going to do So now you have this geotiff image, and then you have the contours from it. So I am going to just turn off this one, switch off this one. We are going to use the command map import. Actually, we want to create the surface from these contours, like our own surface in the drawing. So this is the reason what we are going to do. So map import, and then desktop, this PC, and go for the where we have saved this one. We have the SDF file. So contours, we have this contours here. So this is the coordinate system, this one. So while importing the data, remember to change this one. Create object data, object type contours, select fields. It should all be checked. Elevation, everything should be checked. Click OK. So we have the data, we have everything. Now we're going to OK. So now you can see we have the contours in our drawing. So if we click this link, go for the properties. So you can see these are the we have this polylines, and then but we want you can see this is the polylines we have, but we want to create the surface from it. So what I am going to do, I am going to export this one to the S3 shape file, and then we will be able to create the surface. So let's go and then export this one. So for the export, we will use map export, and then this is the S3 shape file we are going to export. So we are going to name contours. I will name it SHP so that we remember. So go for the line. In the data, we go for the attributes, objects, contours, anything else. Okay, yeah, so we have elevation, everything we have here, and then we have the data line. Yeah, so now it has exported this one. I'm going to delete this one. Now we are going to import again, map import. Or no, I think we should just create the surface now. If I'm going to create the surface from the GIS data, S3 data, yeah, and then name the surface is from like existing, and name the surface surface from, or just like existing ground from, so that we can know where this data came from. And then style should be 1 to 5. Render is just say like, sorry, and then connect to data, shapefile, path. Okay, and this PC. Oops, this one. So yeah, control shape, and then login. Check this one, and then go to next. Okay, uncheck this one. We don't want to define the area in the mapping, in the elevation. So this is a civil 3D geometry, and that we are going to use. Now we are going, if we have to save it or not, but yeah, just finish this one. It should create our surface. Now we have this, you can see tin surface, and then everything is mentioned here. Or you can do is to go for here surface. You can see now you have the surface, and then everything is created here. Like if you want to select or you want to edit or anything you would like to do is so now this is like, so this is our surface. And for example, if you can just change surface properties, go for like with this one, so you will have the arrows here. You can see I will just keep it as simple, like 1 to 5 meters. So this is the surface you have created. So I hope you understand this one. If you have any questions, you can message me, you can comment on this video. And the next video I'm going to show you how you can draw the boundary of your site using this file, and then we will try to see how we can geolocate the map into this one. Hopefully you will understand. If you don't understand, just give me the give me, I will just do real quick. Just comment me. I am going to show you what you can do. Is, for example, just real quick, we can do the borders. Yeah, and then just like this one, and then just bring our point on this side. I think which was here 452,889, 452,889, comma, and then 405816, 405816. So this is our site here. So in the next video I will try to show we can have our site boundary, and then we will delete all this extra stuff, and then we will go further from here. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.